Hey there, how's it going so far? So, for this little section, we're going to talk about your contact page, which really is a small and easy page to create. There isn't a lot of design behind it, and there's not a lot of information you need. It all depends on the kind of website you're creating, what information you want to share on your contact page, or whether or not you want a form for people to contact you, which is the most efficient reason for a contact page. So if you don't want people to contact you through a form, you may just have your business address or your storefront and phone number, email. Just get all of that into the worksheet so that you know what information you're going to have on your contact page, and why it's important to have that information is really up to you and the type of website you're creating. But this little contact page information will be a quick one. So go ahead, fill in the worksheet, and you know what to do. I'll see you in the next video.